hydrogen bonds affect water and its impact on daily life in London. Every morning we use water to start our day, but what we often don't think about is the biological processes that can be seen through these daily actions. Adhesion and cohesion are characteristics of hydrogen bonds. They can be seen in the following process. The water molecules tend to stick together into surfaces like skin. We use towels to dry off and break this attraction between our skin and the water molecules.
Mildred, darling, this tea is delicious. However did you boil the water?
Well, dear, it's a secret, but I guess I'll tell you.
Since hydrogen bonds are weak, they have a high specific heat capacity. Therefore, it takes a lot of energy to heat up or cool down any amount of water.
As water heats, the kinetic energy increases, and this causes increased molecular motion, or vibrations. The vibrations become so intense that the bonds begin to break free. Boiling point is when the liquid turns to gas, or when hydrogen bonds break.
A solvent is a liquid that dissolves a solid. Tea is an example of water being used as a solvent in two ways. The first, when tea is being brewed, water is used to extract the soluble material from the tea leaves. Secondly, when sugar is stirred into tea or water, it dissolves to form a sweeter drink. This is because water is a polar molecule, and with energy it can dissolve the ionic bonds in sugar until the ion concentration reaches equilibrium. This is then called a saturated solution.
The cohesive bonds between the water molecules make surface tension. The molecules at the surface do not have other water molecules around them, and they cohere more strongly with those associated with them on the surface. This creates a film on the water that makes it difficult to pierce, therefore making it possible for many British people to enjoy a nice day out on a boat floating on the Thames. Because the United Kingdom is an island, its climate is conducive to importing exotic plants and flowers. Many of the famous gardens located throughout London, such as Kew Gardens and Chelsea Physic Garden, are prime examples of the lush plant life throughout England.
As you've seen in this video, although hydrogen bonds are weak, they have a big impact on our surroundings. The four main characteristics that we have gone over today are adhesion and cohesion, high specific heat capacity, water as a solvent, and surface tension.
All these characteristics can be seen daily in London, although we often do not take time to realize the scientific reasoning behind these natural occurrences. Hydrogen bonds are important to people in London because they value gardening. All of these occurrences can be seen in a garden.
For example, drops of water on leaves can show adhesion and cohesion, and a water strider, a small insect, landing on a lake can show surface tension. In essence, the properties of water, along with the complex qualities of hydrogen bonds, can be seen in everyday British life. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day.